Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple sales funnel for your business that's going to get you more leads and make you more money in under 20 minutes, completely for free. We're going to be using a funnel builder called Systemi.io to do this. So first, let's head over to Systemi.io. There's a link in the description that you can use that to go to the login page. If you don't have an account, you can just click Get My Free Account and follow the simple steps. But I do have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Once you log in, you're going to see the main dashboard right here. It's got a bunch of different options. You can also upgrade your account, and it shows you the number of leads that you've gotten. You can choose filters, so you can see the data for different time frames. Now, what we want to do is we want to create a brand new funnel. So we're going to go to Funnels here and click Create. First, we're just going to name our funnel. So let's just call it Test Funnel. Choose a domain. This is just going to be the email that you used to sign up with, like systeme.io at the end of it. You have to choose your goal with the funnel. Whether you want to build an audience, you want to sell something, you want to create a custom funnel from scratch, or you want to do like a webinar. So let's just say that you want to create an audience for your business so you can start collecting email addresses and actually build out an email list. And currency, you've got a bunch of different options here. Let's click Save. So we've got a test funnel right here. Now, right off the bat, you're going to have a squeeze page and a thank you page. So the squeeze page is where you actually get people to opt in and give you their email. So they've got a bunch of different options here that you can choose from. These are all templates that you can use. If you just want a quick funnel that can just get you started, then let's just pick something here. So, for example, I'm just going to this one here. So we can preview the template, so it just shows you what it looks like. And if we like it, we can just go back and just click Select. And it's going to import that squeeze page into our funnel, so we can just call it Welcome. And this is the actual path to that squeeze page once we activate this. So we can actually edit the page just by clicking Edit Page. You can add your own information here. You can change the text to something like Our Cool Company. You can also create blocks and pop-ups. Let's just save it for now and exit. So we've got a squeeze page and a thank you page, just what people see once they give you their email. So we can just choose a simple one right here, and let's just save that. Now, one of the things that you want to do with your email list is you want to create a bunch of emails that you can send to them automatically. So we're going to go to Emails and click Campaigns. It's going to take me right here. And let's create an email campaign for a funnel. We are going to give it a name like Test Funnel and type any description you want. So okay. So we're going to create our first email. Let's just click Create, and let's just call it First Email. Now the sender name, you can just choose your name. And this is the email that it's being sent from. All right, let's click Save. Now here we can just write some cool stuff about our company, like buy our products. So we can just fill out some dummy text here. You can see who it's sent from. So when this email sends, it's going to show the sender name here, and it's going to show this as a sender email address. There's also a bunch of personalization substitutes that you can use. So, for example, if you collect the first name of your email subscriber and you want to address them with that first name, you can just type hi bracket first underscore name bracket. So now when this email sends to them, it's going to just fill in their first name right here. So it's going to be more personalized. Let's just click Save and let's publish this. So here you can actually choose the order and like how long of a delay there should be between emails. So this is the first email, so it's just going to be sent right away. So I want this to be sent right after the person gives me their email. So I'm going to have 0 delay and just click Activate. Now if we go back to our campaign here, we can see that we've got this email here and there's no delay. We can create another one as well. Let's call this Second Email. Save. There, second email. Let's just save and publish. Let's say we want to send this one with like a 1-day delay. So if we click Activate, then you can see here. So the second email is going to be sent 1 day after the first email. We're going to be creating an automation workflow, and that's going to be really useful for sending all these emails that we wrote on autopilot. But before we do that, we're going to create a tag. To create a tag, let's head over to Contacts and then Tags. So let's create a tag here by clicking on Create, and let's call it Test Funnel Tag. So we've got a tag right here. Now we can go over to the automation workflows, click our workflow. We're going to create our first trigger. So this is going to be the thing that actually sets off the whole email sending process. So as soon as someone subscribes to our email list from the squeeze page, That's going to be the trigger. Click on Create Your First Trigger, choose Funnel Form Subscribed, and select your squeeze page. Hit Create. Now click on the plus icon and choose Action. Apply a tag, and it's just going to be the test funnel tag. Hit Create. And then after we apply that tag, we're going to click Action again, and we're going to subscribe them to our email campaign, which is called the Test Funnel Email Campaign. Now we can just exit, and it should have that saved. So we can activate this workflow just by clicking 3 dots on the right side and choose Activate and Confirm. So that's basically it. We can now just test it. Go to our test funnel here and let's just copy this URL. Open up an incognito and paste the URL here. So it brings us to the page here. So I'm just going to fill in this information right here and click Submit. And it gave me the thank you page just as we expected. So let's see if I actually got that email sent to me. Perfect. Just as expected. I just got this email sent to me and it's showing the email that I was sent from as well as the name, as expected. If we go back to the contact section right here, we can see that this email was added. So this is working. So those are the simple steps for creating a simple sales funnel for your business. And so all you would have to do is just copy this link here, which is the link for your squeeze page, and you can share this on your website, on your blog, business card if you wanted to. To summarize, System.io offers an unparalleled free plan, setting itself apart as the leading funnel building software in the market. With the complimentary package, you can effortlessly expand your email list, accommodating up to 2,000 subscribers. Moreover, the free plan grants you the flexibility to dispatch an unlimited number of emails to your audience and construct 3 distinct funnels, all without incurring any expenses. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. Try System.io for free by clicking the link in the description.